yung horror story. Hello everybody, this is Miss Andrea Del Rosario. The house is kinda old. Yung horror story, nagsa-start na talagang magkaroon ng infestation. There was a day wherein talagang I was searching for the best company to help me with this. I was so happy to see that iba yung pamamaraan nila, wherein I saw na they put monitoring boxes and non-toxic solutions. And yeah, it's something new to me. I thought nagsasaboy ka lang ng mga kung ano-anong pamatay ng daga. Nakakabilib that iba na pala ngayon. Things are done differently nowadays. And I saw it with zero pest. Peace, not pest, zero pest.